If you stay at this hotel, you can go fishing in these lakes and catch some really huge fish. So this hotel is called Marina Dorada. Good morning guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Gavin, and in today's video we will be following the Baga river, and we will go all the way up to a place that is famous in Anjuna called Baba Oram. And the reason why I'm making these videos is because you guys have loved these videos and you guys have found these videos helpful. So stay tuned and keep watching till the end. It's time to leave Marina Dorada, and it's time to begin our virtual tour. So as you can see, it is sunny. It's not very hot because I'm here at around 10:30 in the morning, and lovely sugarcane juice stall here. I might come back here. So yes, please be very careful when you're riding because of the narrow roads, and I'm going to show you around. So on my right here is the Baga river, and ahead as well on the left we will get the Baga river. So there is this place coming up ahead there. It's called Goosebumps Virtual Reality. So in case if you have kids and if you are some fan of VR, you can come here. And I've got to know that they are the first ones to start in Goa. So yes, I just wanted to show you this place. And now I'm going to take a U-turn from here. Let's wait for the bike to go. And yes, I'm going to take a U-turn, and if you see ahead of me, there's this place called Corner Point. So I'm going to take a left from here. Right, so this is the left that we'll be taking. And on my left here, there are many shops where you can book your river cruises, where you can book your kayaking. Lemon Chili looks like a good restaurant, nice ambience. And on the right here, we are following the river. So there are many places here where you can stay, really nice accommodation, and the prices range from 3,000 Indian rupees to around 7,000 Indian rupees. There's one which is coming up just on my left here, the park. Yeah, the park, Baga River, Goa. So these guys have a very good pool, very good rooms. On my left here is a rent-a-bike service. On the right here is Lazy Lagoon by Lemon Tree Resort. So there are multiple places, and guys, these places have a pool, they have good rooms, some of them even have a good buffet. You should check it out. Cafe Village, I'm not quite sure what this is. Looks like a restaurant. So what we are doing now is we are taking this road, and from Baga we are going towards Anjuna. And on the left here are some stalls. So yeah, if you want to come shopping, if you want to get your clothes or anything, some small grocery stores, I would suggest places like these, because they are away from the beach. So they will quote a decent price. On the beach they'll just quote you a very high price. Small general store here, so in case if you are staying here for long term, you can come here and do your shopping. And this looks more like a place where locals live. So please ride slowly, ride carefully. The roads are bumpy, but the views are great. And we have a bull ahead of us, so you have to be extra cautious with the cows and the bulls. Please ensure you maintain safe distance. Yes. So now I've taken this left, and let's keep going further. There is a seafood restaurant here. Okay, before we get there, there's Park Regis again here. Yeah, this is the restaurant on the left, Lazy Fish Restaurant, Park Regis. Again, very very fancy rooms, but yes, the prices will be fancy as well. White Pearl Sweets. So you can do your research, guys, and check various online portals. Sometimes you can even directly book with them, because they will give you a good price if you directly book with them. So yes, do your research, check the reviews. Ideally what I do is I check the number of reviews, and I read reviews of people who have given multiple reviews. So for example, if someone has given one review and they are praising the place, it's definitely most probably not a genuine review, because since I am from this field, digital marketing field, I know a little bit about how this works. Some reviews can be bought as well, and some reviews are fake as well. So little calf here and police car just passed by. Yeah, so that's how you check the reviews. So read the reviews, and most of the places that passed behind, they have good reviews. I've checked that already. Now let's continue our journey further. So beautiful small lanes in Goa, palm trees on both the sides, and it's not at all hot. The weather today is very good, like amazing. It has been hot lately. There were those 2 days when it was extremely hot, but today the weather is fantastic. Cool breeze, and it's not dusty at all. If you're going to places like Vagator, where there's some construction work going on, it will be good if you can carry a mask, because I felt that I should have carried a mask in Vagator. And besides this place, we have other virtual tours as well, so you can go through those tours. I share a lot of information about Goa, about things that you need to keep in mind, and I do share some information about accommodations, and we have created many videos of restaurants as well, thalis especially, so do check it out. Right, now this is Baba Auram, this inside here. Now let's take this left and continue ahead. Yeah, so this here is Baba Auram. I am not sure where this road leads to. Looks like a dead end. So yeah, let's take a U-turn, because this reminded me of the place in Kandolim. I was going towards Sinkeri, and I went to a place like this and I was chased by dogs. So we don't want that to happen again. On the left here, another sugarcane juice guy. Awesome. Let's go ahead and see what's there ahead. So now we are somewhere in Anjuna, and beautiful fields here. So they have dug up the field. Many fields you'll see rice being planted, different kinds of crops, beans, brinjals. So hopefully soon I will visit the fields in different parts of Goa. I want to do that as well, because I love nature and I want to explore these places and get some more information about farming, because as a hobby I do that as well. I've been successfully growing some beans, tomatoes, different kinds of gourds. So yes, I've done that. Right, now we are continuing straight towards Anjuna. Let's keep going. Ideally, the place that I wanted to show, I've already shown you that, but I just thought of riding a bit ahead, because nowadays the atmosphere in Goa is so good. I love this. It is quite peaceful, not at all crowded, and it feels so good to just take your bike and go out for a ride. Lovely graffiti on the wall here on the right on this house. There are some people who are so talented when it comes to graffiti. I guess they should be given contracts to spray paint all the walls, but yeah, obviously the images should be relevant to Goa and should make sense. And there was an article in the news lately where some foreigners had spray painted the bridge. I'm not sure if they did it with permission, but yeah, they had done a good job. They got both positive and negative comments on social media. But if you approach the right people and if they do the right work for you, it will help many places look much more beautiful. Right, so we are approaching a chapel here, and okay, I wasn't sure that I was going to come out this way, but this on my left here is Cream Chalk, and they have some absolutely amazing gelatos. Let's take a right from here. They have some very good gelatos. So I've come here a long time ago and made a video. So yeah, it's getting hot in Goa. The name is Cream Chalk. You should surely visit to have some gelatos. It is very good. Downtown hostels, yeah, Now in Anjuna there are many places where you can check out hostels. So if you're someone who's coming here on a budget and who doesn't want to spend too much, hostels will be a good option. So there are many hostels in Anjuna. There's one hostel that I came across in Anjuna when we were here on a virtual tour. It's called the Hippie Hostel, so do check it out. Right. So again, as you can see here, beautiful clean roads, and to those people who to those influencers who speak negatively about the locals in Goa, I'm riding freely. I don't have any problems with the locals. I don't know why people have spoken about negatively about them. Obviously, if you break the rules and if you create chaos, the locals will be disappointed. But as you can see here, if you follow the rules, if you don't create chaos, and if you don't ride rash, you're going to have a good time in Goa. Right. So this road straight ahead. Again, we are in Anjuna. This is a little bit of a busy area, busy market area. And if you read my blog, in the blog I mentioned about sugarcane juice, so I had written about these guys here. Only thing is he had not freshly squeezed it, the sugarcane juice, but it was quite good. And I see now that he's extracting it fresh. So yes, I've seen so far 3 stalls. The sugarcane juice nowadays is so good, it's so sweet and fresh. So you should try it out. It's for around 30 or 40 rupees. Really nice sugarcane juice that you can get. Okay, let's continue our ride. So I'm going to take a right from the junction ahead. And as I have always mentioned in my previous videos, you have to be very careful when it comes to riding. Please follow all the rules and ride safely, ride slowly, and be aware of the traffic police. Carry all your documents, wear a helmet, it is for your safety. Now these roads here are a bit winding. I always like to press the horn a little bit on the turns, because you never know who is going to drive or ride fast. And if you're overtaking, please overtake from the right, not from the left. Overtaking from the left is not good. Okay, let's go. So this road now will lead us straight towards Harpora. If you have any questions about Goa, please leave it in the comments. If you are enjoying these videos, please leave a thumbs up so I can create more videos like these. If you want me to visit a specific location, please mention that as well. If it's possible, I will definitely visit these places. Nowadays lot of mango trees have flowers, so yes, since the summer is approaching, some mango trees have already started producing mangoes. But yeah, once you come here in the month of May, you will see mangoes fallen all over the road. So yes, you get some really good mangoes here in Goa. Mankurads, they are very famous. And you can get some Alfonso mangoes as well, different types of mangoes. If you are a fan of mangoes, I'm sure you'll be waiting for the month of May. Right, what's this on the right here? The yellow house. And there's a water park here. Splash something water park. I haven't been. Splash down, yeah. On the right, water park Anjuna. So in case if you want a water park, I'm not sure if you'd want one, but in case if you want one, there's one here. Right, so we'll keep making our way forward, and right there at the corner of the road is Club Cabana. It's a very famous club in Goa. And once we reach there, see how careful you need to be on the road. Yeah, so once we reach there, we will be ending this video. You can even get some very good coconut water on the way. The prices range from 50 to 60 rupees. And you will have to tell them, if you are an international tourist, you need to tell them, I mean, even if you are a domestic tourist, you need to tell them, but many people in India know the drill. The reason why I'm telling you is you would not know, so you have to tell them that, you need a coconut with lots of water, because there's either a lot of water or flesh. The one which has more flesh will have less water in it. So yes, you need to specify. And as you can see here, as I said earlier, it's not at all hot, so I'm enjoying this ride. I know this video is a bit longer than you expected it, and be careful of cars that are overtaking. There's a bus behind me, and I'll let them overtake me. Please keep safe distance. You never know what will come in your way. As you can see in our videos, so many times I've seen cars, cows pass by, and cars taking some awkward turns, bike taking awkward turns. So please be very, very mindful. So yes, coming up here ahead is Club Cabana. So let's take this left and let's go inside here. This is the first time, this is the famous Club Cabana car that goes around advertising. First time I've come this way. Never been to Club Cabana, but let's go inside and see what it looks like. Obviously it won't be open now, but yeah, just wanted to see this place. Look at the beautiful bougainvillea trees. So these are very colorful. You will get these flowers in white, pink, yellow, dark pink, different shades. They look very pretty near the gate. So yes, you should plant more tree, guys. The reason, this is Club Cabana. This brings us to the end of today's virtual tour, and as I was saying, yeah, we need to plant more trees. Look at this. This is a cashew tree right here. You can identify these with the round leaves. And yes, the cashew, it has a fruit and the seed is outside. So the seeds are roasted, and that's what, are the cashews that we get in the markets. So yes, even this little tree here is giving me shade. If you want shade, guys, you need to plant trees. And nowadays, with the weather getting hot everywhere, the weather changing everywhere, trees are very, very important. Anyways, so I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Until the next time, take care, stay safe and stay positive.